What's up guys, Mitchell with Blaze Off-Road here. Welcome back to kind of the shop. We're in the field next to the shop, and we're here with Jace's brand new 24 Tacoma, Ghosted TRD on Instagram, awesome truck. Just did a bunch of stuff with CBI, Prinsu, Baja Designs, and Tacoma Beast up at CBI shop. He's come back here, and we have got some electrical and wiring goodies to show you guys on this thing today. Let's jump in, check it all out.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us.
So up front on the bumper here, we've got the S2 Sport factory fog replacement kit from Baja Designs. This kit will go on your factory truck, or in this case, it'll go on the CBI low profile bumper up here. And then we've also got a 20-inch S8 light bar up front. All this amber light down low is perfect for those foggy, rainy, and snowy days, dusty trails, stuff like that. Coming up, we've got the Baja Designs Squadron Sports. These are amber driving combos as the ditch lights here. And then finally up top, we've got 7 of the Baja Designs LP4s. These things, first off, if you know me, you know the LP lights are amongst my favorite lights. These things are amazing quality. Their build quality is unmatched. When you hold these things in your hand, you are amazed at how heavy they are, how stout they are, and how nice they are. So these things throw an insane amount of light down the trail. Perfect for those go fast trails and nighttime runs. So those things are up top. We got some Baja Designs rock lights moving back here in the CBI Prinsu ridge handles. These things are awesome, great placement for those lights. Really lights up around camp, some great ambient lighting. Match that with the backlighting that you have coming off the LP4s and off the S8 bar up front, and you have some awesome 360 kind of ambient camp lighting to just do what you need to do around camp at night. Moving back, they're not mounted yet, but we've got some S2s going on as chase lights as well. And then underneath, we've got 8 Baja Designs rock lights, same guys as what's up here, going on down underneath. Now, common misconception with those guys, they're not just for off-roading and rocks. Those make incredible scene lighting as well for camps. You know, if you don't want these lights up high, say you're working on something right here, these can be a little bit blinding. They're super bright. These are for lighting up kind of further away, but those rock lights under the truck, excellent for that ambient camp lighting around the ground. Just lights everything up, gives it a nice glow around the truck for that perfect camp lighting. So between the combo of everything we got going on this truck, it's going to be set for off-roading, driving snow and fog, stuff like that. Jace lives out in the middle of nowhere, I can tell you that much, and he needs some of those fog lights for sure. So let's jump into the switching system on this guy. We got Jace in the shop early to 3D scan his new Tacoma and get a design going and a mount made for the Spod Bantam X unit. It's a killer unit mounted right over the battery, super clean, utilizes factory mounting points. We're very happy with how this came out. This one specifically is a prototype, and we do have final production brackets on the way now. So they'll be slightly different, but concept's the same. And that day, we actually did what I believe to be the very first mod on this truck, the SDHQ battery terminals. Those should be the first electrical mod on any vehicle that you've got. If SDHQ makes terminals for it, you need them. By the time, you know, he already got up to Idaho to get all the stuff installed, he had the Spod on, he had the terminals on. Super easy to connect anything you need to this stuff, whether you're doing an inverter, a second battery, you know, an Spod like this or anything else. Those terminals are a great foundation. And then having this Spod mounted here made wiring super convenient for our friends up at Prinsu and CBI. As you guys see for the install, they utilize the Blaze Off-Road pre-made wiring harnesses. These guys are available on our website for the vast majority of vehicles and applications. Whether you have a Tacoma like this one, an earlier Tacoma, Tundra, Raptors, F-150s, full-size, mid-size SUVs, we've got a solution for you. If you're using Baja Designs, Dial Dynamics, any lights like that, we make the harnesses for it. They work with the Spod systems just like this one. As you can see, everything is nice and labeled, super pretty, gets bundled together. We'll actually go through and zip tie all this stuff up nice and clean, nice and pretty. These harnesses show up to you ready to rock out of the box, plug and play. All you're gonna do is plug them into your light, route them down, simply screw them into your switching system. In terms of future plans for the Tacomas, we have some great products coming. The first one that you guys are gonna see outside of the switching systems we've already developed and released and that we are already shipping is going to be a dual battery system. That's right, we are already working on developing a dual battery system for the new Tacomas, and that guy is most likely going to be going over here. Right now we're working on it, got to move some stuff around, change up some factory brackets, and shimmy some stuff in here, but there's a very good chance that this will be released before you know it. All right guys, thanks for checking out the electrical products we already have on this truck. We're very excited for all the products to come. That dual battery system is not the only product that we have coming for these trucks. It is the only one we're going to tell you about right now though. As you saw, we have the Spod on here with the bracket. We have a version available for you Garmin guys as well for the Garmin power switch. Plenty of harnesses on this truck, a ton of amazing lighting for Baja Designs. If you need any of this product, head over to blazeoffroad.com, hit Tacoma right there at the top. We've already got products for these new Tacomas listed and ready to go.